Introducing Surfshark Nexus, a new chapter for the whole consumer VPN industry. Here's how it looks when you connect to a traditional VPN. As you can see, there's a single point of connection to a random server in your chosen location, meaning that your security relies on a single server, and if you were to switch to a different location, your IP would be exposed for a short period of time. On the other hand, Surfshark Nexus servers are connected together, and when switching servers, you are not disconnected from a VPN. This makes Surfshark a true virtual private network. Get it? Network. Upon connecting, you don't just connect to a single server, but rather a network of servers that communicate with each other. But what does that mean to you, our Surfshark user? Well, with Nexus, you can expect better VPN speeds, better VPN stability, and better online privacy. And that is not all. It also opens a window for us to release new and very exciting features such as IP Rotator, IP Randomizer, and Dynamic Multi-Hop. These features will be rolling out throughout 2022 and 2023. And starting today, you can already try one of those features, IP Rotator. With it enabled, your IP address will rotate while your VPN location will remain the same. This will make it even more difficult to track you online. At the moment, this feature is available on all major platforms. You can enable it by going to the VPN settings and then advanced settings. I also had a chance to sit down with the system engineers behind this amazing tech and ask them more questions. We go in depth on how the solution works and discuss some of the thoughts behind it. So definitely check out that video for more information. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get these videos to you as soon as they come out. But that's all for me. Take care.